Tell us what we're doing here.
Okay, we're actually going to be building a lightsaber. We're here at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge in Disneyland, Anaheim, California. And here, it's a secret part of Galaxy's Edge. So
I do not even know this at all.
Exactly. They want to hide it from the bad guys, the First Order. So you have to be in the know in order to be here. So anyway, you have to first choose the style of lightsaber you're going to be building. And I chose power and control because I'm feeling a little evil today. We go in and they're going to guide us through the process. So we're in line with some other people here and we're all going to have a very spiritual moment of becoming part of the Jedi or part of the Sith.
Guy, just hanging there. He's a little cuckoo, but it's okay.
Hey, who are you calling cuckoo? This is only 200 bucks. What other things do you taunt on your YouTube?
It's more expensive than Club 33.
Club 33 has like for two people, it's more than $200.
$400 for two people.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Here we have two people coming in. Only one is building, but
I don't need to pay for it, so that's good. This video is sponsored by Micheal Shu, so please check out his YouTube video. Seriously.
Onyx Cinema.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, how long is this process will take usually?
Well, once you check in, there's a bit of a waiting period because the group before you needs to build. They don't want to rush you. And then once you're inside, they explain what you do, and then they give you time to build. So you don't feel like, I got to put it together and get out of here. So sometimes it could be 20 minutes-ish when you're inside. It could be 10 to 15 minute-ish while you're waiting. Okay. So, just budget an hour for the whole experience.
So, how many lightsabers you have built so far?
I have built, well, one for myself. Georgia built one, my wife, sister, and now this is my second.
Amara built one too?
Oh yeah, well, Amara kind of thought that Georgia's lightsaber was hers, so she thinks she's the owner. The little 2-year-old thinks that she owns the lightsaber. We'll let her believe it.
Jedi, right?
She is. We don't know if Sith or Jedi just yet. Seems to be leaning towards the Sith, though.
Right this way, travelers, right this way.
Wow.
Let's move with it. Right, son, come on in.
This is our station.
All the way down into here. Next builder right here, next builder right here.
Wow.
Wonderful. Next
This
builder
is
right
our
here.
space.
Next
That's
builder
where you build.
Yep, this is the top secret building area.
Now it's no longer a secret. All you guys gonna know.
All of YouTube knows, really, except for Steve Jan, until now.
Until now.
We do nothing more than scrap or spare parts to the anti-die, but we know that in the right hands, these pieces can be combined into something so much more. Because it's not old junk. These relics still have the echoes of history that will help guide us into the future. To build a lightsaber is a work of art. Each one a direct reflection of its builder, as well as your conduit to the Force. And in the past, it has been wielded by some of the greatest of heroes, and some of their most fearsome of adversaries. But every story has to have a beginning, and the lightsaber starts very small. We'll determine the color your blade emits. Now, there have been many crystals throughout the galaxy, and some have been lost to history. But in our travels, we've been able to collect 4 for you. Believe me, it was not an easy task, but I'd like to start with this one here. The blue, once held by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his young apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and now it's held by Rey, our spark of hope. The green, held by Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. And then there's the violet. And out of all the crystals, it is the most rare and beautiful. And one like this was once held by Master Mace Windu. And finally, the red. Known as the Kyber Crystal of Power, held by Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader. And today it's held by none other than Kylo Ren. But, builders, what kind of blade will you wield? Hold that in your mind. Builders, open your eyes. And as the gatherers come around, be prepared to reach out and take the heart of your lightsaber.
I'm keeping my eye on them.
Are you gonna turn evil? Should I be
I
worried?
wasn't already evil.
As your crystals are still unstable, this will help keep it safe as well as you until we are ready. Left.
We need a cell phone light back there to glow.
Oh yeah.
It's your control center, if you will. And perhaps most importantly,
Thank you.
Oh
it was
wow.
going to keep your fingers from getting disintegrated, which some people do find important. The gatherers and I are passing out the scrap that you selected outside. But I'm sure you realize this isn't just scrap metal. These are the components of your hilt. Then let's build.
Let's build.
Window side up. You're going to take your kyber crystal, place it right towards the center. One finger on each side, and we're going to push up towards the top spring plate.
Oh, you light up.
Locking the kyber crystal to the bottom
Power
plate.
flows
You
through
want it to light up and hum for you briefly.
Oh, mine is not completely in place yet. Got it. Click. There we go.
Push up towards the top and lock it to the bottom.
Can you feel the power?
It's kind of like putting these batteries on your planet. Like putting a battery in.
Huh? It's kind of light. Okay.
Oh, that's gonna change.
Oh really?
Trust me.
I feel I'm gonna get beat up very soon here.
Well, you get to feel it too. It's pretty hardcore. Well, I've done this a few times, so I think I could kind of guess.
Oh,
so-
this is heavy.
Yeah, these are all metal, so
Now, we're going to go to section 5. In
Section 5.
two stacks of activation plates. You're going to choose one set. On the inside of those plates, there's a red cap,
Switch
red
here.
blue cap, as well as a silent cap.
Oh, so they walk you through step by step.
yeah. I'm kind of cheating a little.
And then the red directly to the red. Red to red, blue to blue. Choose one set of
It's
activation.
not completed, so when you try to turn it on, nothing happens.
Red to red, blue to blue.
Now I have some hard decisions to
Once you
make.
have both of your activation plates on,
I definitely want this.
the activation switch. Face it towards the ceiling and push up. You should hear misfire.
Oh, I hear that.
I could hear it better if I do this. So you could edit that in. These parts don't always align, but there's a trick you could do when you go home to get them to align later. You just have to get some, like a rubber O-ring or something. Just put this wherever it feels best for now. I guess the top part here. So you just have to make some decisions of how you want to arrange it, because you can't take all the pieces home.
Yeah.
So, okay, I guess that'll work for now. Okay, tough decision now.
Oh, so you can pick any combination you like and
Yeah, oh, there's something weird going on here. Sometimes things are not as compatible as they should be.
Now once you have your two plates on, you're going to go to section 1 and 2. 1 and 2, you have 4 sleeves, you're going to choose 2. You want the thicker bands going towards the center and tightening.
And
okay.
I'm not sure. I think the bottom piece is still not to my liking. Hold on. I don't know. This is
So in the movie, they never show how they build lightsaber though.
not really. Not, in some like sideshows, like cartoons and stuff, they do show.
Now once you have your two sleeves on, you're going to go to section 3. You're going to take one of your emitters to the top of the opening.
Oh, this is heavy.
This is probably going to be the one right here.
Do you
I
need
feel like
a
the
spur?
thread- I think the threading might not be going in too well on the switch. All pieces seem to not go all the way in.
So we need an expert to help.
Yeah, the thread seems to be a
So you
little
want a little
exposed.
piece of the activation switch to be sticking out just a little bit, because if you have it threaded on where it secures right away, over time, when you keep toying with it, it's just gonna eat the activation switch.
Oh, it's
You don't
gonna
want that. So it's
go
kind of
in-
like a blockade for you.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
hey, this is enough.
Okay, gotcha. So it'll kind of wear in a little bit as you
absolutely.
go. Okay. So it's transparent. I didn't know it was
That's good.
transparent.
Yeah, or that would be the hungry. I'm not sure. May I?
Sure.
Thank you. This is the activation switch. When you're ready to activate, you're going to push up.
Okay.
Now, can you control the power you have here?
I hope so. We will find out.
We're going to need a little bit more confidence from you. You can show the power.
I feel that I can.
Good. That's good confidence. Yeah, more of it. So we want to manipulate technology for the purposes, and this is not a perfect process. It's taken a long time to become proficient, but you do have some of the best, so I think everything will go quite well today. Isn't that right, Lydia? Yes, right. When was the last time we had any kind of incident? 20 minutes, okay? 20 minutes. We're good. We're good. There we go. We're good. We're good. 25 by 2. Yes. We're good. So 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes.
Oh.
With many parts you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda. Builders, the Force must truly be strong with all of you who have called him here. And he's right. It is time to finish forging that bond between Builder and Saber. But you all started this journey together, so I think it's only right you finish it together as well. So in a moment, you will all activate as one. And every step you have taken has led you to this point. So Builders, take one final step forward now, back to your workstations. Place your hand on your hips. Take a deep breath. And activate.
Whoa. That's really cool.
Builders.
Oh, what?
Raise your lightsabers. For you to build a lightsaber.
Wow.
Yeah, he doesn't sit there, come before you. And like that, you can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Now raise them high and raise them proud, builders.
That is really cool.
Congratulations, builders. Please deactivate and lower your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders. Thank you for coming to find us today. You have all created lightsabers as unique and extraordinary as each and every one of you. And in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. Protect your new lightsaber. We're pleased to present a saber sheath to you as you depart. Now our time together has come to an end, but your journeys are all just beginning. It's time for you to go make your mark on the galaxy. And who knows? Maybe one day, the gathers nine,
Holy garbage.
we'll be here telling you your
Durable.
stories. But until that time, I wish you safe travels. So as we stay on the outpost, seal the spire. Seal the spire! This way, builders! There we go!
Congratulations. Now let's go fight the evil.
No, I am evil.
You are evil. Take yours. Thank you very much. That was really cool. So what do you think about it, guys? Do you guys like this experience? So any recommendation for the future builder? Is
Try
that
not
get
to.
your credit card ready? What else?
Make sure you have enough on your credit card, $200 and plus tax. I recommend looking at all the pieces to have a good idea of what you want. Otherwise, you'll be like, I don't know, you know. So I already had a good idea. I just had to feel it out to see if it was my final decision.
Yeah, the red stone. Cara red. The red stone.
The red kyber crystal is what I chose. I kind of had to think about it on the spot. It's like, should I have a good color in a bad saber? Do I want to be like that? But it's like, no.
So you have 3 now. They're all in different colors so far?
Yeah, actually, this is my second one. Georgia has one, and hers is purple. My previous one was actually red as well. But you can collect different kyber crystals, and when you switch them out, they'll have different color light up. So you can have one blade could actually give about like 6 colors. You have to get the kyber crystals from the store next door over here, though. And actually, I'm going to be stopping over there, so I don't know if you want to check it out or something.
We'll see.
We'll see.
Well,
Yeah.
thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking time with me. It's an amazing journey. Thank you, Michael. I really appreciate it.
Follow at Onyx Cinema YouTube. if you're interested in camera stuff, camera gear, anything that has to do with filmmaking, you know, if you want to know when the next Osmo Pocket is going to be reviewed, that's my channel. So
Okay, see you guys next week. Bye.